Hey, hello and welcome to Ambition Success. My name is SK and you are watching chapter Ways to Online. Friends, this is the third video of this video series on Google's Workspace. And in this video, I will show you how we can create a website without hosting, without AMC and design charges using Google Workspace, as I had promised you in my previous video of this video series. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Once you are inside your Gmail of Google Workspace, click in this 9 dots, which is Google Apps, and then click on this Sites. Click plus to create it. But I can take from this templates, for example, Christmas party. Let's do this. I'm just clicking here. Then let's write it. Now so these are some photos which I can also change. Let me, and then I can change this. And I can adjust also. So my photo is ready. Now what I will do, I will quickly publish this. So, and this is the name of the file. This website is a file. It requires a file name. So I'm changing this website 1 and then clicking on publish. Now it asking me to view, so I'm clicking here and it is ready. See, I can. Friends, at this stage only your employees of your company can see, because the website address is not www.websitename.com. We have to do something and then everybody can see. For that, what I have to do, I have to go to control panel or admin, and then I have to go to apps and then G Suite. I have to go to sites. Here it is, custom URL. So I have to click here and I have to click on new sites. Then I will click go. I have to type the site's name. So the site name is this one. So here is my site name. So I will copy this quickly and again go back to my admin and paste here. There was a space. Now I will continue. Now here I have to put www. Then it will be visible for public. Now what I will click continue, and these are the things which I have to do. Set up CNAME record with your domain host. I take screenshot of this, then I save this. Then I have to finally click on add custom URL. Now I will change the CNAME and then I will publish this site once again so that it can be viewed by anybody having internet. First I will go to admin, then I will go to domains, and then I will go to manage domain, and then I will click on view details. This domain was purchased from Google, that's why this is like that. Then I will click there, and then I have to log into Google domain using the same password and user ID I used for Google Workspace. Make sure you have your domain shown there. Then click on DNS, then go to bottom where you have custom resource, and then open that screenshot you had taken before and on the basis of that update www, then select CNAME, then select the domain name, which is ghs.googlehosted.com, and then click on add. This record will be added to your DNS, and as this message says, sometime it may take 48 hours to reflect the change. Now the second last change we have to make, click there, the sharing setting, and click on link, which is at the bottom, and the change, and then you have to drop down and select public, then only it will be visible to public. Click on done, and now we have to publish once again to reflect the changes. Now see, this was before like that, but now what we will do, we will open a new browser and type domain, and see, we can see our website, and now the domain is what we expected, which is www.kingsrestrocafe.com. And then your dream business or dream company or dream project will be live, and people from anywhere in this world can access your information at any time. There are few other things also which you have to do. For example, verify your domain, then how to change CNAME if you are purchasing your domain from enom or GoDaddy. Those I was not able to cover in this video because of time. I will cover those in my next videos, and also I will show you advanced level website designing using this. For that, requesting you to kindly be in touch with us by subscribing our channel and helping us to grow. Lastly, अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हो तो हमारा एक दूसरा चैनल है फेसबुक में और यूट्यूब में, विच इज़ वेल्स टू ऑनलाइन, वो आप सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। इसी वीडियो का हिंदी वर्जन हम वहाँ पे अपलोड करेंगे। सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग अस। एट द एंड आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन, इफ देयर इज विल, there is ways to online. Thank you. See you in our next video. Take care. Bye bye.